Good morning, good evening, and welcome to the Milesight webinar. I'm Jessica from Milesight Marketing Team. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us. Today, we're here to talk about our new roadmap for the first half of 2024, which contains what we've newly released and what we're going to put out for the public soon. Now, let's clarify a few things before we get started. This roadmap mainly focuses on upcoming new products. Please note that the details may vary upon their official launch, so it's important to pay attention to the exact announcements. We have planned 4 sessions for today's agenda, including the overview of Milesight product performance, the details of each new model and upgrades, how to work them in the different applications, and finally a sneak peek of new products on the second half of this year. What I want to say is our market promotion plans align well with these solutions, and we are excited to organize thematic webinars that strongly resonate with these building energy-efficient solutions, space management solutions, and high-efficient environmental sensing solutions. In the beginning, we will take a look back at how Milesight's products performed last year. Milesight remains committed to prioritizing and focusing on 4 crucial areas: smart building, smart space, smart industry, and smart agriculture. Within these domains, Milesight emphasizes various initiatives that drive innovation and sustainability, such as promoting sustainable building practices, developing solutions for occupancy and people counting, enabling environmental sensing, and enhancing temperature monitoring capabilities. We have an extensive range of products offering over 100 models. To keep up with the increasing demands of our customers and the market, we have been introducing around 30 new products annually over the past few years. Milesight has seen significant growth in several product lines. Here are the top 5 fast-growing series in 2023. The WS series is making waves, showing an impressive growth of over 240%. Among them, the best-selling model is the magnetic contact switch, loved for its compact size and easy wireless deployment, combining the data from door activity with cleaning staff schedules. It helps optimize resource allocation in large spaces such as airports or shopping malls. The VS series is killing it with a remarkable growth of 160%, making it the second best-selling series. The occupancy and people counting features have become super important in the world of IoT, pushing the smart revolution of traditional buildings, shopping centers, schools, you name it. And guess what? We've taken it up a notch with the VS133 model. It's not just about people counting. We've added some awesome practical functionalities to make it a game changer for retail stores, helping analyze people flow, keeping track of foot traffic, and so much more. It's like having a superhero for your store. The EMA 500 series is rocking the charts. The PTE 100 Platinum temperature sensor offers highly accurate temperature measurements across a wide range of industrial processes. Moving on, the TH series and AM 300 series secure the 4th and 5th positions on the board, boasting growth rates of over 50%. According to the annual sales figures, these products rank among the top 10 digital sensing products in terms of revenue. No wonder the temperature sensor series, featuring the EM300 and 320 models, has become a staple in the cold chain industry. Their popularity in the food and medical sectors is well deserved, thanks to their impressive cost effectiveness, wide measurement range, and precise accuracy. Despite the end of the pandemic, people's awareness and importance placed on indoor air quality remains high. The AM300 series and 100 series are designed to meet the specific needs of users by offering professional and basic monitoring capabilities, respectively. These products go beyond providing statistics for assessing air quality. They can be seamlessly integrated with HVC systems to automatically regulate the overall environment, thereby maximizing their value proposition. Next in line, after the occupancy and people counting devices, we have some exciting products that focus on environmental sensing. Take the M500 soil sensor, for example, when paired with the solenoid valve controller. It allows agricultural users to easily implement smart remote irrigation operations. If you would like more information, please feel free to reach out to your sales account who will be happy to provide you with further details. As I mentioned earlier, we used to launch about 30 new products every year. However, you may have noticed that we have slowed down the pace of innovation this year. There were two main reasons for this change. First, our product lineup now covers a wide range of applications, meeting the majority of our customers' needs with our comprehensive line of IoT products. Second, we have shifted our focus to improving and optimizing our existing products to set new industry standards. We want to be at the forefront in areas such as advanced people counting solutions, energy-efficient solutions for buildings, and environmental temperature monitoring solutions for industrial, food, and medical industries. Without further ado, allow me to introduce our new products. If you're in the building and retail industries, get ready to be pleasantly surprised by our upcoming releases and feature upgrades for the VS People Counting series. First up is the new product VS 135 Ultra Time of Flight People Counter, which is now available for sample testing. Considering the power-hungry nature of time-of-flight technology, installing the sensor at a higher position, like up to 6 or 7 meters above the ground, can further increase power consumption and device temperature due to its expanded detection range. To address this, we have optimized the design and implemented hardware upgrades for the VS 135. For example, we have introduced a radar sensor alongside the time-of-flight sensor. Thanks to the radar sensor, the time-of-flight sensor can go to sleep when there is no movement, effectively reducing power consumption. It can quickly wake up when someone passes by when detected by radar. Of course, we will discuss some other important features in detail later on. And wait until March and May, the VS 133 and 135 both will be getting upgraded to enhance their detection capabilities. Some human-related features, more specifically human behavior or activity recognition, will be supported by these products. For instance, shopping cart fill level detection is crucial for users in malls and the retail industry. Moreover, features like tailgating detection can broaden the range of applications and extend into the transportation industry. You might be wondering why we're still introducing the new products VS 351 and 360 when the functionality of the time-of-flight-based models is already impressive. Well, the reason is that some customers are unable to provide suitable locations for sealing mounted devices like VS 133 and 135. But they still have a strong need for a people counter with high accuracy, battery-powered, wireless transmission, and easy deployment in simple scenarios that only require wall-mounted installation. That's why we've developed the dual technology, PIR and thermopile-based VS 351 and active infrared beam brake sensor, VS 360 to meet these specific demands. If everything goes well, they will be ready in April and May respectively. Next up, we have the energy-efficient product CT current transformers. Some customers may question the need for installing current transformers when smart meters are readily available. This indicates a lack of understanding regarding the differences between them. Allow me to briefly explain the distinctions here. In low-voltage power systems, buildings usually have power meters at the main entrance to track overall energy usage for individual floors or the entire premises. However, these smart meters only provide real-time recording and uploading of overall energy consumption data without detailed insights into specific devices or systems. On the other hand, smart current transformers can measure the energy usage of specific devices and systems without disrupting the existing circuits. They can also help identify abnormal energy consumption patterns and derive conclusions for implementing energy-saving measures. This time, introducing our latest offerings in the CT series for circuit measurement. The CT100 is designed for single-phase circuits, now available for ordering. Additionally, we have the CT300 specifically designed for three-phase monitoring, and it will be ready in May. In the past, during the marketing of environmental sensing solutions, our team received a lot of customer feedback regarding the need for a temperature sensor that is affordable, compact, highly accurate detection, and supports features such as an extended probe that can be put into a freezer or any other desired location, adhesive temperature measurement, and data storage. These requirements were particularly relevant for applications in cold chain logistics and kitchen environments. Taking this feedback into account, we have planned to release the TS201 temperature sensor in June. It aims to meet these demands while offering the most competitive price in the market. In terms of connectivity, apart from LoRaWAN, a new LP1 technology-based product is ready to enhance connectivity options. Yes, that's the Wi-Fi Hello Gateway. As we all know, LoRa has limited bandwidth and transmission speed, which can be challenging for applications that require low power consumption and medium-sized coverage, while transmitting large data volumes like images. To bridge this gap, we have developed an indoor gateway HL31 utilizing Wi-Fi Hello technology. Samples of this gateway are available for testing upon request. When setting up a LoRaWAN network, users need to find an optimal placement of gateways and nodes, as well as monitor and analyze the network and frequency bands. However, the current NFC and mobile toolbox configuration methods do not offer the best user experience. That's why we're excited to announce the upcoming launch of the Milesight field tester in March. Its primary function is to provide real-time monitoring of the uplink and downlink signal quality. Additionally, it comes with built-in toolbox configuration capabilities, making it a valuable tool for sensor upgrades, configurations, and debugging. 2024. You'll enjoy a new version of iBox kits for the IAQ, cowork, smart building, smart agriculture, and smart restroom monitoring. And more thematic webinars are waiting for you ahead. Now let's explore the details of the new products or new upgrades one by one. To cater to various scenarios, Milesight offers a diverse range of occupancy and people counting monitoring technologies, from space planning in office environments to footfall analysis in retail malls, from aisles and desks to cubicles of restroom monitoring. Users can always easily find the perfect solution from the versatile VS series. VS135 is the Pro version of VS133 with an enhanced installation height of 6.5 meters, a detection area of about 22 square meters, and 99.8% accuracy. With the optimized enclosure box design, the VS135 has become sleeker and its ability to dissipate heat has been significantly enhanced. As we just talked about, thanks to the radar sensor. The TOF sensor can quickly awaken and operate at full speed to count the number of people when detecting people's presence. When no one's detected by radar, the TOF sensor enters a sleep mode to save power, meeting the low carbon and ESG initiatives. Another hardware upgrade lies on the 3-axis sensor, which helps to automatically calibrate the height of individuals when the installation environment is restricted or the device is mounted at a tilt. This ensures accurate differentiation between children and adults. Finally, you have several wireless transmission options such as LoRaWAN, 4G cellular, Wi-Fi Hello, as well as wired transmission through the Power over Ethernet connection. Of course, they come in different models. Moreover, to ease your maintenance, all the models of VS135 will support Wi-Fi access point. Improvement and optimization of hardware functionality have expanded the potential applications for the VS135. One notable example is its suitability for the ground floor of shopping malls, where ceiling heights usually reach around 5 meters. Additionally, airport terminals require equipment with higher mounting heights for people counting purposes. In high traffic areas such as parks, museums, and open top swimming pools, there is a need for products with higher IP65 ratings to mitigate the risks associated with water exposure. In terms of the counting functions, you may find it inherits all the advantages and features of the VS133, such as 100% anonymous detection, regional people counting and dwell time, adults, children, and staff differentiation, advanced group counting, U-turns filtering, and more. When I think about VS351, a few key features immediately come to mind. Mid-range market positioning, hassle-free wireless installation, dual detection methods, AI algorithms, guaranteed high accuracy, battery power, LoRaWAN transmission, and low carbon of ESG standards. The integration of multiple sensors further enhances its capabilities. The PIR sensor triggers device wake up, while the thermopile sensor enables high precision people counting. Additionally, the temperature sensor detects ambient temperature, ensuring the device operates within reasonable temperature limits. In terms of detection accuracy, the VS351 stands out from its competitors. While others may sacrifice algorithm accuracy to lower the power consumption, Milesight implements on-device algorithms that perfect the balance. It means the accuracy can be up to 95% of overall detection and 99% of single passage detection, and the battery life can last to a year and a half. These product capabilities are few and far between in the market. The VS351 is versatile when it comes to installation. It features a seamless connection of the main body and battery, just like splicing the toy bricks, making it convenient and fast to set up. Additionally, you can make adjustments to the sensor probe to make sure it's vertically downward for different scenarios. Where can we put it? It is suitable for indoor entrances and exits with relatively stable temperature environments, such as office buildings. The battery-powered version is completely wire-free, allowing it to be installed without restrictions imposed by power grid layouts. This makes it particularly suitable for energy-saving solutions in older office buildings. Infrabeam break is a well-established technology solution for people counting. Unlike passive infrared, it has the advantage of being more resistant to false detection and interference caused by changes in environmental temperature. To maintain this advantage, Milesight has improved power consumption to prolong battery life without compromising the detection accuracy on the VS360. The new people counter features two parts: an infrared master and an infrared node, both of which have got transmitter and receiver. And there's a screen on the master to show you important statistics, such as the battery volume of both master and node parts, their alignment status, the number of people in and out, and abnormal statuses like obstructions. You might be wondering how we achieve bidirectional people counting. Well, it's all thanks to the node part that sends out two beams toward the master. The sensor can detect which beam is touched first by a moving object, allowing you to know whether it's an in or out. You can customize the in and out directions. In general, the VS360 is a battery-powered people counter that can last up to 3 years on a single charge. This is based on conditions of 10-minute intervals, a daily count of 2,000 people, and a 12-hour working period. It features a side-mounting design with separate parts and requires a mounting distance of 2 to 3 meters. When deployed in a high-traffic area, the sensor can achieve an impressive accuracy rate of approximately 80%. A highly common application scenario for the beam break sensor is in shopping malls, specifically at cosmetics counters or clothing areas, where ceiling-mounted installations are not allowed in open spaces. In such cases, the VS360 provides a non-intrusive wireless device option that can be easily deployed without compromising the aesthetics or layout of the area. That's not the end. To further improve the competitiveness of our products, we have some exciting updates planned for the VS133 and its Pro version VS135 in March and May. Stay tuned for more details. Next month, in March, you'll get 4 exciting new features soon. As you can see in the shopping cart in the picture, that's right, it's the shopping cart level detection. Due to the RGB, it will be available on the PoE version of both models as well as the 4G Wi-Fi Halo version of VS135. The updating of the special algorithm can tell whether shopping carts are empty, loaded, or fully loaded. This is a game changer for smart retail management. By combining shopping cart level detection with dwell time analysis, we can track how long shopping carts stay in specific areas, which gives us valuable insights into the popular zones within the supermarket. This information helps owners adjust the number of open checkout counters and allocate staff during busy and idle times, ultimately reducing congestion at the checkout area. This not only cuts down on wait times, but also enhances the overall customer experience. Another important upgrade is the capability of integration with physical interfaces, such as the digital output for trigger settings. Then the sensor can send an alarm signal when a child enters or exits certain areas. We're going to upgrade the video verification feature on all models of VS13X. Right now, the validation feature in the sensors only allows for setting up one continuous recording task. However, there are situations where events don't happen continuously, and there can be long gaps in between to prevent recording too much unnecessary data that fills up storage space. We can support the creation of multiple recording tasks. Finally is the scheduled TOV light. This feature reduces unnecessary power usage during idle times, improves heat dissipation, and extends the lifespan of the device. By May, the VS13 series is poised to completely transform a new industry: people counting on public transportation. In the world of public transportation, accurately counting people and analyzing the flow is crucial. This often calls for extra monitoring systems like tailgating detection at ticket barriers. The VS13X series has stepped up to the challenge by introducing a new feature that detects human behaviors during people counting. The multi-device stitching function is nothing new, as it is already supported by the PoE version of the VS133, allowing up to 4 units to be combined. Now, to achieve even wider coverage for detection, we're planning to upgrade it on the VS135 PoE and 4G cellular versions, enabling a maximum of 8 units to be stitched together. But the stitching is not allowed between VS133 and 135. Of course, the Milesight D2D will enable the LoRaWAN version of VS13X to cooperate with other Milesight LoRaWAN sensors to realize the alarm triggering and interaction. And the 4G version of VS135 will support VPN, remote access, for being compatible with more applications. Absolutely. The VS series has made a remarkable impact and holds a leading position in the people counting industry. That's why we've dedicated so much time to showcasing its features. Now let's continue to the energy efficiency solutions. Energy efficiency has always been one of our top priorities. This time, we are introducing 2 new products that specialize in energy monitoring, allowing for improved management of energy consumption. Additionally, we are thrilled to announce the launch of a brand new temperature monitoring sensor. Based on extensive research and valuable feedback from last year, we have added a new temperature sensor to our existing product line. Let's delve into the details. CT series consists of 2 types: CT10X and 30X. As the name suggests, the CT10X is designed for single-phase monitoring, while the 30X is suitable for 3-phase monitoring. Additionally, each variant has different detecting ranges. The 101 supports up to 100 amps, the 103 supports up to 300 amps, and the 30X offers options of 500 and 1000 amps, and all three probes of the same device have identical measuring ranges. Installing the current transformer is a breeze as you don't need to care about the current direction. They allow for non-intrusive measurement of current flowing through a conductor. Its split core design enables easy installation without interrupting the circuit, and also the device can be powered directly by the circuit without batteries. Moreover, it can be pre-charged and configured using the USB Type-C, enabling a swift and hassle-free setup with the LoRaWAN gateway. If there is no current flowing through the cable, the device can be powered through Type-C temporary charging. Additionally, the device incorporates a supercapacitor that stores energy based on our smart design. When the current of the measured circuit reaches zero, the device can enter standby mode and remain operational for approximately 5 hours. Once the current is restored, the device can resume charging and normal operation using magnetic induction. It captures the magnetic field generated by the current and converts it into an electrical output proportional to the measured current. For example, you can input the nominal voltage, current, and power factor in Milesight Cloud to come out with the general power consumption and get informed by the tendency of changes and abnormalities. Overall, Milesight CT series support up to 3.3 kHz sampling frequency for reaching a higher accuracy while measuring the current value. It can offer automatic calculation of cumulative amps hour values once per second. One thing worth mentioning is that the CT sensors are specifically designed for detecting AC circuits and are not compatible with DC circuits. The majority of project requirements we receive focus on the precise collection of RMS root, mean square voltage and current data to enhance power system monitoring. The CT series is perfectly suited to fulfill these demands. It supports targeted detection of high current loads in a wide range of applications, including refrigeration systems, construction sites, industrial HVAC systems, and monitoring of small electrical appliances in buildings. This image demonstrates the different ways the CT10X and 30X models can be used. In industrial applications with higher voltages, like in China, where the power distribution voltage can reach up to 380 volts, which requires larger measuring ranges. Then we recommend the CT30X 3-phase current transformer. It works great for scenarios involving high voltage appliances, such as industrial motors found in factories. On the other hand, in everyday building usage, we often have small appliances like refrigerators, coffee machines, and lights that operate on single-phase power. The power from the distribution box is converted into relatively lower voltage and current. In this case, the CT10X is perfect for such appliances. Well, next up is the temperature sensor TS201. When it comes to temperature sensors, the top priorities for most users are the range of temperatures they can measure, the price, and how easily they can be installed in the field. Indeed, this new model is specifically designed for entry-level applications and comes at an affordable price. It is suitable for a range of environments including warehouse management, hospitals, supermarkets, and restaurants. This new model incorporates the DS18B20 sensor, which is highly renowned for its exceptional accuracy and wide temperature range spanning from -55 to +125 degrees. What's more, the DS18B20 temperature probe can be detached, enabling separate removal and precise calibration. The TS201 is designed to support battery power, offering an impressive battery life of up to 3 years while detecting temperature at 10-minute intervals. The battery design is changed to an external attachment. This sensor has undergone an important design change. The battery interface is now placed externally. You can see the black interface on the right side. This makes it much easier for users to install the battery with IP67 protection and allows the device to power on instantly upon connecting the battery. without the need for a separate power button. The inconvenience associated with NFC startup has been effectively addressed. Moreover, it also supports an optional glass bead thermal buffer bottle for insulation blocking and stable detection. If you're involved in smart agriculture or smart irrigation applications, you shouldn't overlook the enhanced features of the UC510 solenoid valve controllers. It offers 2 solenoid interfaces and 2 GPIO interfaces and supports both local and remote control. The upgraded feature introduces D2D functionality, facilitating threshold alarms for pulse counting and enabling the configuration of pulse filtering rates. Extensive testing with renowned solenoid valve manufacturers like Rainbird Hunter and Burmat has confirmed the compatibility of the controllers with all 12-volt DC latching solenoids equipped with 2 wires. In addition to our range of digital sensing products, Milesight has exciting new tools and platforms lined up for release this year. In 2023, we introduced Wi-Fi Halo technology along with the HL31 Wi-Fi Halo gateway. We are thrilled to announce the sample of gateway is available this month, and we can't wait to share all its features and capabilities. Moreover, I would like to introduce a new tool specifically created to simplify the deployment of LoRaWAN devices. This tool not only aids in signal detection but also enhances the integration between LoRaWAN gateways and sensors. It provides optimized mechanisms for improved performance, making it easier than ever to maximize the potential of your LoRaWAN network. Wi-Fi Halo is a wireless communication technology designed for the Internet of Things applications. It is based on the 802.11ah standard and operates in the sub-gigahertz frequency band. The main difference between Wi-Fi Halo and standard Wi-Fi lies in their extended range coverage, lower power consumption, and much lower data rate. Theoretically, Wi-Fi Halo can support up to 1,000 end nodes connections and cover up to 1 kilometer distance. Wi-Fi Halo and LoRa are both wireless communication technologies designed for Internet of Things applications, but they have some key differences such as the range, bandwidth, and data throughput. From the application, LoRaWAN proves sufficient for monitoring low data sensor networks over kilometers in range, and the necessity for transmitting more data such as images, video, or software updates makes Wi-Fi Halo the obvious choice. After thorough consideration, the extra data throughput of Wi-Fi Halo is filling the gap between LoRaWAN and standard Wi-Fi and enabling new IoT solutions to the market. This is why you can see that Milesight is increasingly involved in various IoT technologies. The HL31 is a cutting-edge indoor Wi-Fi Halo gateway that is specifically designed to efficiently transmit data from multiple low-power, large data devices to the cloud through Ethernet or optional cellular connection. This versatile solution is ideal for applications that demand significant data capacity, low power consumption, and medium-sized coverage requirements. It also provides Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz access point mode for easy configuration. You can use the X1 sensing camera with a Wi-Fi Halo gateway in different applications. For indoor inspections, it can replace manual inspections and utilize AI algorithms for tasks like meter identification. In indoor settings, the camera's alarming feature allows for secondary verification. Additionally, it can be used in building automation to control and monitor various devices using Wi-Fi Halo sensors, for example, used in healthcare facilities. It operates on a secure network, avoiding the congested 2.4 or 5 gigahertz frequency bands of Wi-Fi networks. When deploying a LoRaWAN network, there are typically 4 distinct stages, including project planning, signal evaluation, installation and commissioning, and device maintenance. In the first project planning stage, We'll provide deployment guidelines and professional pre-sales support to assist in planning the optimal site for deploying LoRaWAN devices. The LoRaWAN-based tool Milesight Field Tester will first address the challenges posed by the second stage, signal evaluation. Much time would be spent on simulated signal testing between end nodes and gateways, making it difficult to check and understand concepts such as RSSI and SNR. The Milesight Field Tester serves as an on-site signal assessment tool. Simply input the device EUI of the Milesight Field Tester for binding. When you activate the field tester on-site, it will automatically request downlinks from the LoRaWAN gateway and evaluate the signal strength. While doing the installation and commissioning, all the device information will be listed for user reference. The labeled and laser engraved serial number and EUI aid in quick installation and debugging. For device maintenance, Toolbox is our existing tool for NFC, scanning, and fast firmware upgrades. Milesight development platform is expected to support remote over-the-air updates in the third quarter. As the Milesight Field Tester continues to evolve and offers more features, users can experience different benefits and functionalities at various stages of their testing process. At Milesight, we are committed to providing you with the best products as a hardware provider. Meanwhile, we also strive to develop a range of platforms and services that will make your projects easier and better support our customers. You might be familiar with some of Milesight's available platforms like Milesight, IoT Cloud Device Hub Toolbox, Milesight VPN, and Milesight Sensing Platform. That's not the end. Milesight is super excited to introduce the fresh and improved versions of these platforms. They're designed to meet device management requirements and more LoRaWAN network service for both on-premise and online cloud-based solutions. Milesight Device Hub 2.0 has enhanced its device management capabilities and now serves as an on-premise LoRaWAN network server, functioning similarly to embedded LoRaWAN network servers. For its device management capability, the Device Hub has enabled remote restart and expanded its access to obtaining device information, making it easier to do bulk operations in Tasks View. For the LoRaWAN network server support function, the platform enables the LoRaWAN network server module just like the embedded network server Milesight LoRaWAN gateway supports. The Milesight development platform is a global and open Internet of Things platform specifically designed for users and developers in the IoT industry. It supports the integration of IoT devices based on various protocols and offers convenient features like plug-and-play device pre-configuration, bulk device management, and device modeling. The platform also provides standard RESTful API and webhook interfaces, empowering developers to seamlessly integrate IoT devices and speed up the development of their own solution applications. The development of the platform will be divided into 3 stages, considering the complexity and importance of the features. Currently, we have completed the foundation stage and are now advancing towards the innovation stage. Hardware Unified Access Capability. It refers to 2 dimensions based on the unified TSLE Things special language. Firstly, it supports third-party devices to achieve quick compatibility and profiles through MQTT, providing strong compatibility at the device level. Secondly, the platform is highly compatible with the application platforms with the provided API and webhook by HTTP, unifying functions such as device data display, event reporting, and service invocation modules. It ensures compatibility and smooth connection between LoRaWAN devices and simplifies device connection, promotes interoperability, and enhances overall system performance. The second important feature is device management and control. This enables users to remotely manage their devices and do the bulk device add and profile configuration. It will support LoRaWAN end nodes in the second quarter. One of the key features we can offer now is device pre-configuration, which we refer to as auto-provisioning configuration, plug and play. With the help of our RP service and unified device management standard, you can effortlessly deploy multiple devices without the need for additional configuration steps. This streamlined process enables you to quickly and efficiently put the devices into operation. It saves time and effort, making the deployment process smooth and hassle-free. In the near future, our platform will introduce a range of advanced service capabilities to enhance innovation and convenience in project implementation. These features will offer improved compatibility with third-party data and streamline the process of encapsulating data for specific scenarios. Our aim is to provide a more seamless and user-friendly experience, encouraging greater flexibility and integration with external systems. Stay tuned for these exciting updates that will bring enhanced functionality and convenience to our platform users. Currently, the Milesight development platform is already compatible with several devices, including the PoE version of VS133 and 121 people counting sensors, as well as the VS350 passage people counter, AM308, UC100 controller, most of the EM300 series, WS203 motion and temperature humidity sensor, and WS303 mini leak detection sensor. We are continuously working on upgrading our compatibility to include more devices in our scheduled plans. At present, we are focusing on several key application scenarios and have planned a series of targeted activities for the future. Check out the list of upcoming Milesight webinars in April, May, and June. We extend a warm invitation for you to join the webinars that pique your interest. Our first application scenario is the intellectualized reformation, where we provide a range of smart devices to enhance energy efficiency. For smart HVAC management in homes and buildings, we offer the WT thermostat series. This includes the WT101 Smart Radiator Thermostat, the WT201 Smart Thermostat for all-in-one heating, ventilation, and air conditioner operations, and the WT301 Fan Coil Thermostat for overseeing fan and valve operations. To monitor power consumption and manage electricity usage, we have the WS500 series and CT Current Transformer series. These devices enable remote control of electrical appliances and precise monitoring of energy consumption of specific circuits. For upgrading smart lighting controls, our WS558 Smart Light Controller is a reliable solution that eliminates the need for rewiring, reducing renovation costs. These intelligently designed solutions optimize energy usage and contribute to overall energy efficiency goals. Temperature monitoring plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal conditions and ensuring quality across various processes. At Milesight, we understand the importance of temperature monitoring, which is why we offer a range of temperature sensors to meet different requirements. Our sensors come in various models suitable for industrial-grade applications, food-grade environments, waterproof needs, and HEC beta management compliance. With our reliable temperature sensors, you can effectively monitor and manage temperatures to ensure product quality and safety. The VS series offers cutting-edge solutions for efficient space management, prioritizing privacy while delivering valuable insights and analytics. If you require a ceiling-mounted solution that demands the utmost accuracy in people counting, we recommend the time-of-flight-based models VS133 and 135. These sensors can be seamlessly stitched to cover extended areas. On the other hand, if you're seeking a wall-mounted, battery-powered wire-free option that provides cost-effective yet reliable counting capabilities, The infra-based models like VS 350, 351, and 360 are ideal choices. With our VS series in smart space management, businesses can enjoy the benefits of enhanced privacy protection while gaining actionable intelligence to optimize operations, drive profitability, and create an exceptional environment for customers. Join us in the next webinar as we'll delve into the world of comfort management solutions. We will explore the integration of indoor air quality sensors, smart thermostats, lighting controllers, and WS series devices for building up a smart and comfort space solution. In 2024, Milesight will prioritize key vertical markets like energy management and smart buildings, occupancy and people counting, and environmental sensing. Looking forward, what new products can be expected in the second half of this year are listed here. Introducing the vape detector. This detector will be capable of precisely measuring parameters such as temperature, humidity, total volatile organic compounds, and various particulate matter sizes. With compatibility for Type-C and power over Ethernet, it ensures convenient and frequent supervision. For effective alerting and notification, the device will feature a 70 decibel buzzer and multicolor indicator, additional functionalities like PIR sensors, carbon dioxide monitoring, and emergency sound monitoring are also under consideration. Moreover, the fall detector will employ radar technology, enabling accurate assessment of fall status. It will support Type-C and power over Ethernet for regular supervision, providing an additional layer of safety protection. And we can also expect the existence detector for status monitoring. The battery-powered device will be powered by radar technology to detect existence status in confined spaces such as meeting rooms. At Milesight, we already offer a range of distance sensors utilizing ultrasonic or time-of-flight technology to further enhance our product portfolio. We are currently planning the development of a millimeter-wave radar distance detector specifically designed for outdoor and underground water level measurement. In the future, we will offer enhanced energy efficiency solution through the brightness controller, which will support advanced brightness adjustment capabilities. For more Milesight insights, please keep following us on our social media. Thank you all for your attendance today. And I hope today's introduction will help you better understand Milesight's product planning for the upcoming months. Hope you found it worthwhile. And see you next